Hi everyone. Thought I'd come today. I'm doing a video for Beebeecraft. They sent me some charms and these other things. I'm going to pull them out. What I made already, I tried making them anyways, were little dangles for journals. And I thought they turned out pretty cute, so we're going to make that today. And I've got them all ready to go in here. I've picked out the pieces I'm going to use, except for the beads. I'm going to pick those out separately. Okay. So this is for one. That's for that one. That's for this one. And I'm going to use, actually I'm going to use, oh, I'm not prepared at all. Just 1 second, I gotta find them. Okay, so I found these, and they're straight pins. So that's what I'm using. They're easier for me. My fingers don't work too well, so I'm using these. So I'm going to start with my beads. I have this little bead set, and I really like them. I kind of like, whoops, stuff is falling on my desk. I've got so much stuff here. I'm just going to put a few beads on here. And then I need to cut off. I'm going to put 3 beads on, and I'm going to cut this off about here. I think I'm in frame, yeah. I'm going to cut that off there. And then I'm going to take my they're kind of a rounded nose plier that you can turn. You can turn it, and I want to turn it more than that, so I'm going to go back in and turn it more. Maybe I didn't cut it quite short enough. Yeah, I haven't got the proper tools yet. They're coming, but I've ordered them. I'm going to get my flat pliers and kind of squeeze that together. And I think that should work. It's got a little loop, if you can see that right here. So at that point, I'm going to add a jump ring. I'll just put this down for a second. If I can open this. So I don't know what size jump ring to really use. Maybe this size might be good. When you're using jump rings, it's good to separate them by pulling straight back. Like don't bend it. I'm pulling straight back, as you see, straight back. And I'm going to add this on to there. And I'm also going to add it on to my chain. And I might even put the heart on here as well. We'll see if this works okay. There we go. And I'm going to take my flat pliers again and just push straight back so that they join. And I always feel it to make sure that it's good. Excuse me. I haven't been well for a while, but I'm feeling better. So, sorry. So we have that, and I wanted to add a few more beads to the side again. So I'm going to use another straight pin. Hang on, I need a drink of water. I'm still coughing from 6 weeks ago. It's just crazy. So I think this time I'm going to use a few different colors. I'm going to use this pink one, this amber colored one, and wouldn't you know, I come on to do a video and I'm going to start choking to death. Is that stupid? Okay, so those are the ones I put on there, and I'm going to do the same thing as I did last time. I'm going to cut it off, leaving enough room to make my turns with the other pliers. So I'm going to get those, and I'm going to turn and turn. If I could ever get a hold of it right. And keep turning. And let's see where we're at. I think that's pretty good. And I'm just going to flatten that out. Just so that they can't come off. And I don't like that. It should be tighter than that. I'm going to try to get it a little bit tighter. I don't have the right tools. That's the problem. I need other tools, but I can manage, I think. Let's flatten that. And we got it. So at this point, I'm going to add another jump ring. So I'll set that down and find where it opens. There we go, right there. And I'm just going to pull straight back, just to open it, so I can get this attached. There we go. And that's all I want to do with this. I'm going to close it back up, straight back. And I always feel it to make sure there's no catchies. So that's, oh, we forgot. Wanted to add it to my chain. Back up. Okay, let's add it to our chain. And you can add it on the chain wherever you like. Whatever you think looks good, if it's going to add. Oh, okay. So I'm just going to get a piece here. Get it on. I think I want to cut this chain. Maybe not quite yet. There we go. And I'm going to close that up. Oh, I thought I was hooked on. I'm not. So let's get this hooked up. Okay, we're in. So I'm going to close it now. The same way we opened it. So I'm just going back, straight back. And now we have 2 on there. And I want to add this bulb pin So I think I'm going to cut it about here. So I need my cutters. I'm going to cut the chain right there. Take off the cutting piece. And I'm going to open the bulb pin. And I'm going to, I know you can't really see very well. Not really set up for small things on my videos like this. And I wanted to do that. And that is basically what you have. A heart and a bee at the top. I could add some other things, but anyways, you get the idea. They're fun to make, they're easy to make, and they're quick to make. I hope you like them. I thank Beebeecraft for sending me some items that I can use to make these. And yeah, they're a lot of fun. Yeah, I should have cut this shorter, I think. Hey, maybe I will while I've still got you here. I'm going to just cut this a little bit shorter because it's a bit too long. Take that piece out. Okay, so we get the bulb pin. Put that in there. And then we get our little bee and put our bee on there. And it's just so cute. Very simple. It's not involved really for a beginner doing jewelry to hang off your journal, to hang off a tab on the side of your journal. Very pretty. So I've got two here. And thank you to Beebeecraft. That's it. Bye everyone.